Yeah, yes, and by the way, you cannot take long to know whether this person you want to be in love with or to have a relationship with. You are not going to take so many days. It is only for a few days, or like 2 days, you are going to know this person, this kind of a person doing like this, like that. Sijui kama mnaelewa ama mnaget. Kwa sababu ikiwa unataka kujua this person is mature or not immature, you are going to know very early. Is this person is not a pretender. Otherwise, kuna hii kitu ingine, if this person is a pretender, maybe can pretend about those few days that yeye ni mtu caring, mtu capable, things like that. But as you continue moving or handling things, you are going to know true color of this particular person. And it is good to note your partner early before it is too late, because like this person who is treating you like unatuma message kama saa hii, let's say umetuma message kama saa 2 ana respond like 12 or 1 p.m. at night. This person is very immature and very unserious, because this person want to assume like you are, there are these things that even they are not making sense, because how can you come and start giving excuses? I was busy. Let me tell you, and I'm not going to cheat you, because truth, let it be truth. Hata ukiwa busy kiasi gani, you are going to find a way to communicate to your partner, simply because you want to know how is your partner moving or going. So ni lazima, because still you want to be in touch with this particular person, because you value that person and you love that person. But you cannot tell me that you love a person and you are going to have a day without communicating to your partner. How can it be? It is like you living and assuming that yeye ako sawa, and still you say you are a caring person. How are you caring and you are not communicating, know that your partner ameshindaje, amekuaje, amekaa namna gani? So let's stop this immature relationship so that we can focus on real relationship, and we are not going to have this commission that we have, and so many people crying and saying this relationship is toxic, sijui inakaa namna gani, hata ningejua no, relationship sio baya. Yule mtu ambaye mko naye na relationship ndiye mbaya, kwa sababu ukijua this person is immature na hawezi badilika, what are you supposed to do? You are not supposed to be in that relationship again. You are supposed to move and go like fire and find a person who is mature, because I believe that a relationship is based on maturity, communication. Because if this person is mature, how do you expect that communication is going to be efficient? It cannot be efficient at all, because huyu mtu kwanza haja kuwa kiakili, na kwa sababu akili ndio mtu. Usipokuwa na akili wewe si mtu. And that is the reality and the truth. It is good to speak the reality and the fact and the truth. So note those things, because we have talked about relationship and communication, kwa sababu baseline ya communication and to know mature person ni communication, because how this person even is communicating, unajua, we talked about posting things on social media, that is Facebook, all social media platforms. Kuna ile hata mtu akiweka status, you really wonder whether this particular person is in a relationship, kwa sababu kile anaandika pale ni kana kwamba sijui wewe si hewa, sijui hata mimi hata nikiweza kaa hivyo siwezi kufa. You are dealing with the wrong person in your relationship, and you're supposed to note when you see such things or such post or status, you're supposed to note that your relationship with that particular person is in danger, and you're not supposed to be in that relationship, because it is going to end in a wrong way, in a wrong manner. You're supposed to lash and learn like, there is nothing was there, because at the end that's why tunapata kuna vituko vingi zinafanyika in relationship, but it is simply because you are assuming when seeing things happening. You are not assuming everything. By the way, huwa ninasema kuna zile vitu ambazo unafaa kurespond na kuna vitu zenye haufai kurespond. Sasa zile unafaa kurespond, ikiwa haurespond, what are you expecting to be the outcome? You are going to see things that even you yourself will see like it is certain who have done so. But it is not certain. It is simply because you assumed, because there is things that he needed you to respond and you did not respond. So you are supposed to respond to things that are supposed to be responded, na zenye haustahili kurespond, wachana nazo. So that is it. And now you can gauge your relationship, whether kuna immaturity, efficient communication or not. It's upon you now to measure and weigh your relationship to know where you are heading to. Because some people, they are just there in relationship to pass time. Iwe time nini, because we have cases, ni vile tu watu hata wakiweza kubali kuongea hapa, we can see and know. Mambo hufanyika na hukua. Unasikia wengine wanasema I'm in relationship with him or her because I only want to pass time, sijui I only even whatever, sijui niko mimi shughuli na pesa zake, something like that. Na hiyo ndio mambo iko, and you can note that whether this person is fully interested with you or is not interested with you or relationship, ama ni wakati. Na by the way, tuache kutupa muda kupotezeania wakati, let it be an end, because when you are spending that time knowing that kupitisha tu wakati, what is going in your head, ni nini kinafanyika kwa akili zako ama kwa mawazo yako? First of all, you are in a relationship with a person somewhere, but you are pretending that you have a relationship with this person mwenye sasa unampotezea wakati. What if ikuwe vice versa, yule mwingine naye anakupotezea wakati na wewe unampotezea mwingine? You are going to always, you knowing that atulikuwa tu naharibia huyo mwingine, kumbe hata wewe no. Sometime I normally say Mungu anajua kubalance. Hauwezi potezea mwingine muda na wewe useme mambo yako yatakuwa nywee. Even you yourself, you are going to see things that you are going to say, why did I do this? But don't go to a relationship or marriages with wrong people, immature people, because wrong people, it is immature people. Mtu immature ni mtu mwenye hawezi jua vile anafanya, like he or she is doing that because for the sake, let me say for the sake. Find someone who values you, who is serious and ready to move on with a serious relationship, and don't forget to get